Alright then, just taking a quick look at Verasity on our daily time frame here for another daily update on the channel. This isn't Verasity, this is VeChain. So there we go, Verasity. Before we begin, please do go down below and sign up to BITUNIX. They're giving you a 30% bonus if you deposit and trade on their platform. If you deposit $1,000 and trade, you can receive a $300 bonus instantly. Really, really good stuff. Definitely worth getting down below some free money so you can trade the markets. Check out the other links as well. So we're just taking a quick look at Verasity, as I said. Not too much going on here for Verasity. We're basically just chopping around. After that huge dump we had a few weeks ago with that massive liquidation cascade we saw across the market, for pretty much all of our altcoins, you can see here Verasity coming down, getting a massive liquidation sweep below this area that we've been consolidating in for a while. Tapping into heavily this previous area of structure we made in the previous bull market, as you can see. Right now Verasity just continuing to retrace and get chopped up by the markets. Bitcoin doing its best to dump all the crypto market right now, continually chopping up and down, big drops up and down, and basically just going sideways. And we know that when Bitcoin does this, that the altcoin market bleeds. You can see across the market we have got cryptos looking like they don't really know what to do. Verasity is no exception to this, even as a small cap, which doesn't have that much of a high correlation to Bitcoin at the minute. You can see obviously when you get these huge dumps that Bitcoin is always going to dump down these smaller cap altcoins, and you can see Verasity here no exception. Very simply getting rejected out of this big daily fair value gap here. As you can see, this daily fair value gap looking like it's the piece of the puzzle that is basically holding Verasity down right now, and we're continuing to chop around. If you look at the hourly time frame here, you can see we came down, massive bounce, came down again, tapped into this area, bounced up, and now trickling back down here. You can see we've had this trickling price action for Verasity for a long time, slowly grinding its way to the downside. But you can see there are times where Verasity comes in with volume out of these areas. As you can see here, what happened on Wednesday, we suddenly got a nice little bit of volume coming in here. We came up and tapped into that 1/10 of a cent level before retracing back down again here. I do think there are buyers in the market for Verasity, and they're just waiting for the right time. I've been averaging into this for a few years now, and I'm still waiting to see the bounce. But to be honest, I'm not too worried. I think my average entry at this point is somewhere in this region here, back in this range, probably somewhere like here or here. So I think any bounce back to the upside would be break even for me on Verasity. I still think we can come up and target up towards this 1 cent level, and maybe further depending on how the altcoin season goes when we eventually get it, because we are going to get one. I think the market makers are doing their best to make us think that whole season isn't going to happen, but then once everyone's out in the market, they will of course trigger it. As always guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.